Now that we collected our information, we need to print out the information. So our for loop is going to follow, or both of our for loops are going to follow the exact same structure when printing out the information. We want to print it to label 1. And we're going to print it in such a way that this label takes the first row, prints it accurately, goes down to the second row, prints it accurately, goes down to the third row, prints it accurately, etc., etc. Just like it would with our table example. So, this is how this works. We're going to do the same two for loops again. So for row equals 0 to names.getUpperBound. Notice how it's a singular term because it's only one bound we're getting. And for call equals 0 to names.getUpperBound of 1. So again, the rows always stay with 0, the columns always stay with 1. What we're going to do here is just like we have before with printing the label. We'll say label1.text equals itself and whatever is at names of row and column. Okay. That's simple enough. But what this hasn't accounted for yet is getting it down to the next row, because right now it will still, even though it is a multi-dimensional array, a 2D array to be exact, it would still print everything completely linear. So what I want to do here is once my column's complete, before I move on to the next row, which is what this array does, I want to come down here and say label1.text equals itself and our old friend, the control characters, dot new line. Dot new line. Take a look at that a second. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to clear out the label real quick. It's still there, I promise. And when we hit our button, it's going to give us the chance to do this. So I'm going to do Jake, Ange, Frank, Betsy, Julie, Sophia, I don't know, Admiral, Jane, Erica. Oh, I guess I get one more. Dave. Another one. Bob. Joe. Why are you still going? Ah. Okay, that's unique. So, as you can see, it ended up giving us a 4x4 array. So here's what must happen. Is it begins storing one number higher than what we can work with. So, as unusual as that is, that's also good evidence. So this 3x3 counts from 0, 1, 2, and 3 including. So if we wanted it to be a true 3x3, we would set it to be 2x2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A little bit different, but it still gets the job done. And it helps you to remember that these start at 0 instead of 1. So that's how you print a multi-dimensional array.